all the way from Southern California. Please give it up for FAIVA. Welcome, guys. I'm so excited to have you on the show. Please introduce yourselves and where you're from.
Talofa, my name is Grant Wongtia. I'm from the city of Oceanside, California, via the villages of Whangaitua, Vatia, Leloloa, and Alovai and Upolu.
Talofa, my name is Laura Grayson. I am from Gardena, and my family's from Upolu, Satsufia, Sava'i, Malifa, and also Pango, Tutuila.
Talofa lava, my name is Vaya Atonu. I am born and raised in the beautiful village of Pango, Tutuila, American Samoa.
What does FAIVA mean?
FAIVA means craft, and it can be any type of craft from fishing to building houses to language, dance, music, and that's where we got our name FAIVA.
What made you feel like you needed to form this group?
I think what brought us all together was that we love Samoan music. We all come from different perspectives and different angles of Samoan music, and we feel that we bring something unique to the genre and to the crafts, to the FAIVA.
Right.
And adding something new while still paying tribute to the old traditional styles and melodies and songs. So, yeah.
Take us through some of your practices, your rehearsals. How does that look like when you guys get together? Who makes the call?
To tell you the truth, I think our first rehearsal was under a bridge.
That's
right? We were like, hey.
Under a coconut tree, down by the river.
It was a dirty bridge.
Oh my God.
We were just like, hey man, can we get together? Let's jam out, see what it sounds like, see what it, because me and Vi, we played music at Disney, and then we were like, man, wouldn't it be great if we had like a trio? And we thought about it for a long time, and then Grant really stood out to us because we saw him on stage. We were like, look at him, he can play. And so we're like, we gave him a call. I didn't even know Grant really that well. I gave him a call and I said, hey, we have this idea. You want to jam out and see, vibe out and see what comes about. And then we met in Oceanside, and there was this giant bridge that had this, this echo, and it was perfect for singing. And we started rehearsing, and we started recording some videos, and it sounded great. So I thought
and
it was
individually, all of you have musical backgrounds, right? You're all individual artists and musicians.
We all grew up playing music, singing. I think it's a very, it's deep within our culture. So us growing up as young kids, music was always around. You sing. Basically, straight out the womb, I feel like.
Now, what do you want the public, especially Polynesians, to take away from your music, or at least your rendition of the classical Samoan songs?
I hope that it's nostalgic, but still relevant and contemporary to our own unique take on it. And I hope it sort of inspires and calls to that Polynesian spirit that we all feel when we hear a Samoan song or we hear a Hawaiian song or Tongan song. We all know that feeling. And, I hope that our music inspires that.
So how do you make it unique? How is it, besides the fact that it's all your individual voices, it's you guys separately coming together, how does FAIVA make the classical songs more unique?
Well, I think everybody brings something to the table, with Grant. It's his ukulele skills, the ability to play upright bass. There are not too many Samoans that play the upright bass, today. Vi is an incredible guitarist, lead guitarist, beautiful vocalist. And then me.
Hair model.
And the hair model. And then, one of my favorite things to do is to be in the studio. I love producing music, and I've done it a lot the last several years with my father's music and just my own personal albums. But this is an opportunity. I feel like three unique individuals coming together to be the Avengers.
Yeah. Wow.
In Samoan music.
Okay, as the Avengers, who would you be? Like, what special powers do each of you have?
I really enjoyed doing behind the scenes type of stuff. And I'm glad that we're working with a very fabulous crew over here.
Yes, All Films in the House.
All Films in the House. They've been excellent with what we've been doing lately.
Okay, so let's get all your social media handles because this is about to blow up. I already know it.
Please just go on our website, faivamusic.com, and all the buttons are there. You can click it and follow us everywhere. Please do so because it'll help us get our music out there.